Hi, it's Paul here. It is the 15th, Tuesday the 15th. Let's see what we got going on in the greater Las Vegas market here. Last few days. We've been gone for like 3 days. So let's see what's going on. This is yesterday. Between yesterday and today, looks like we had a one bedroom, one bath condo for 199 for 99,000, excuse me there. Looks like upstairs unit. I think it needs a little bit of updating. Interesting. And that is let's see, where is it? It is over off Summerlin Park. Well, that's Pirates Cove, okay. Good little complex over there. And then the highest priced, that's the lowest priced, of course. Is $1,195,000 over here on Quail Run. Pretty good curb appeal there, lots of foliage. Looks pretty dated though. Inside nice backyard. Little slide there. Let's see, when was this little guy built? 1986. 4,100 square feet. 6,200 of an acre. Good sized lot. Okay. So that's today's. Looks like yesterday's lowest priced was $64,900, 400 square foot studio apartment. Kind of looks like, because it doesn't have a bedroom there. Over on Bonanza. There's a bedroom. Well, I guess I just mismarked it or something. Anyway, here it is off of Rancho and Bonanza there. Okay. And what was the highest priced one yesterday? A lot going on yesterday, it looks like. Wow. Pretty active day on Monday. 2.698 million. Seven Hills area. You can tell by the address. Pretty nice. Interesting. And has a pool and a spa. You can see that pool. Let's see if we go back a little bit. Golf course. Oh, there's the pool down there. Okay. Ah, nice pool. Right on the golf course there. Built in '01. And that was the highest priced one yesterday. And then Saturday, or Sunday, 95,000 for a 2 bedroom, 2 bath condo. Good little common area, playground for the kids. Nice clean unit. Okay. And what was the highest priced one on that day? Previous. $695. So right at 700. The home is under construction. Brand new, D.R. Wharton. Okay. Then that following day, which was probably 3 days ago, which was that Saturday. We had a little 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo for $79,900. Don't see any pictures of the outside. Nope, no pictures of the outside. And it is Civic Center and the 15th, looks like. Okay. And then go up a little bit more. $4.95. Beautiful area there. That's nice pictures. Where is this? Summerlin, okay. Pretty nice. So we'll go over to the map here and show you everything that is going on here. And we did have one way up here by Ash Springs, wherever that is. A few over here in Pahrump. The majority of them are right here in Las Vegas. And 420 properties went on the market in the last few days. Okay. I don't want to take up too much of your time today. That's 7 minutes already. We had 253 go under contract and 173 close escrow in the last few days. And those prices go from 65,000 all the way up to 3.3 million. So that's it for the day. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Have a great day.